I'm London Westy.
Hi, I'm Lara Class.
And this is Cache Canada, and we're in...
Colorado, Utah, New Mexico, and Arizona.
What? 4 states? How is that possible? Stay tuned and you'll find out. We're right here at the 4 corners.
4.
Yeah, 4 corners. 4 states at one time, and we got our pictures. And you're doing the twister.
I did the twister, so I'm 1 limb in each state.
Yep, and I did the Spidey move with one hand, 1 foot, each in 1 state. That's pretty cool.
So keep watching. There's more caches to be found.
Yeah, where will geocaching
Take you.